Okay, Sunday freestyle. This is like take 25. I hope I don't flop, but if I do, I'll just continue. I hope it blesses you though. Every church is unique. The vision is all different. To compare churches with one another, that's a bit ignorant. This one does it like this. This one does it like that. It doesn't mean they are better or they're a copycat. This one covers their head. This sermon talks like Ted. For communion, they use crackers. They use bread. This one's a bit slow. This one's a bit fast. This preacher's got a lot of energy. This preacher's got class. You see, church is like a restaurant. It's all Bible food. One person likes it, another person thinks it's no good. It's the same raw word of God served on a plate. The preacher cooks it differently so the audience can relate. Find somewhere that you connect with, that fits your style. Church hopping may not help you. Stay for a while. It may not tick all your boxes, but what's your spirit saying? Wherever you go is cool as long as the truth is preached. I've flopped. I've really flopped. But I'm gonna continue because these lines are hot. There's a church out there for you. I'm not saying come to mine. Wherever you go is cool as long as the truth is preached. That's fine. We're made for fellowship together, not to be alone. In case you're thinking it, please don't stay at home. There's somewhere out there for you. You can find it. Keep searching and praying. Don't quit. Have a nice Sunday. My name's Ike. I rap every day. Actually, some days. I'm gonna go now. Gonna go get ready. Church is about to start. Uh-oh.